Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu 2.5 liter. This process should be the same for any of the Ecotec 2.5 liter engines. To start, here's the part we will be using. It is a GM genuine part. Right there is the genuine GM part number. So let's go ahead and get the new old sensor off. So to start, we're going to take off this plastic cover right here. It is 3 T30 bit bolts, and you're going to take all three out, and this cover will just lift off. With the cover off, we can see off the entry of the top of the engine. Here you have your valve covers, 4-cylinder spark plugs. So this is how you do a spark plug servicing. It's kind of dirty in here, so I might clean it up. But right here is our camshaft position sensor. It's really easy to get to, really simple. You take one bolt out, and you take this clip off. So we're going to take this clip off. I'll show you how. I'll tell you I got it off, and then we'll take this one bolt out. There might be a little bit of oil seepage, but it shouldn't be too much as long as you haven't been running the motor too recently. This has been sitting for about 10 minutes, so it should be good. Okay, so you got this off. It is just a 10mm bolt. It threads in right up there. Let me show you. Right there's where it goes. This clip is actually really simple. As you can see, the white clip pops out a little bit. I thought this had to come out of the way. It actually doesn't. Once it's out to where it's flush on the back, just push down on the white piece, and it will release it to where this will come off pretty easily. I was fighting with it, and then I realized I was just fighting something I didn't need to. The new one, the part that I got, comes with a new bolt, so we can just slide it on in, just like so. And we're gonna snug up that 10mm bolt right there with our 10mm socket. Do make sure it shouldn't be able to go in any other way, but the bolt, when you're looking at it, will be on the left side, and the sensor head will be over here. And then I'll tighten this down a little bit more with a wrench. But we'll go and clip that on, and then we'll slide the white piece forward, just like that. Now it's locked in. As you can see, the white piece is no longer flush, so therefore it's nice and clipped in, and it's not going anywhere. So we're going to tighten that up and get the engine cover back on. Alright, I got the engine cover back on. I forgot to mention this, but when you take the engine cover off, you'll have to remove the oil cap, take the engine cover off. I will put this back on while you're working on it, just to make sure nothing else falls in there, and then you have to take it off to put it back on. Now that it's done, we can go into the car and make sure the check engine light has turned off. So let's go ahead and start it. And check engine light is gone. So there we go. That's how you replace the camshaft position B sensor in a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu 2.5 liter. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys next time.